Hi there, students. Leaven. So, to leaven as a verb, and leaven as a noun, also leavening or leavening agent. Okay, so, to leaven. If you don't put yeast or anything in bread to make it rise, your bread will be hard as a rock. It'll be rock hard and it will be very, very difficult to eat. And this is the idea of leavening. To leaven is a cooking process where you add an agent, particularly yeast, and you put that in batter or in a dough to make it rise, especially by fermentation. And this makes the whole mixture lighter. There are little air gaps in it, and it's bigger and lighter. So to leaven, to add a rising agent to it. But we can use this metaphorically as well. Okay, so to leaven, to lighten, to give something an extra effect. So the speech was really boring, but at least he had leavened the speech with a few jokes. So it's something that's lightening, it's enlivening the whole thing, it's adding life to it. It's a modifying influence, and it's a modifying influence to make it better. Okay, so speeches on serious subjects should be leavened with a little humour to make something less boring. His writing, although very serious, was leavened from time to time by pictures. Okay, yeah, pictures in a book definitely leaven the situation. They make it lighter. So to leaven, it's something that goes through everything and it transforms things for the better. It makes them better, it goes everywhere and it infuses a thing and it improves it. So the new way of working has leavened the productivity of the company. Okay, it's gone everywhere and it's modified it for the better. It's pervaded, it's penetrated it, it's suffused it and modified it, but for the better. Okay, so to leaven, to mingle with something, some modifying agent that gives it more light, to lighten. The priest gave a sermon leavened with a few jokes, so lightened, made more digestible, if you like, leavened with some moderating influence. So he is a very, very serious bloke, but his wife is very extroverted, and this leavens being with them. His seriousness is leavened by her extrovertness, her outgoingness. Okay, so to leaven. Okay, so to make it more interesting, to make it more cheerful, to make it more positive, to make it more upbeat. I mean, to leaven or leavening agent is normally yeast or baking powder. But imagine putting yeast or baking powder into a project. It gives it a better texture, it rises, you get more value from it, it's more interesting, it's got a much better texture. And this is the idea of to leaven. Okay, so to leaven something. Okay, so let's see, what about formality? I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think I would use it in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, it comes from Old French levain, which comes from Latin itself, from Latin levo, levamen, levo, to raise. And that's the point. Leaven is talking about raising it, it's increasing the volume, it's making it better. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Leaven.